What do you think is success? I was doing a corporate training session for a pharmaceutical company and its medical representatives. And that was the first time when I asked this question, what do you think is success? I, of course, got many different answers from different people. And some of them were, one guy said that owning a nice car is good success for me. Someone said that having a lot of money is success, and another guy said achievement of my targets is my success. So from all of these answers, one thing you can understand is that success has different meanings for different people. And what meaning success might have for you, it sure will not be the same meaning for someone else. Another thing I would like to add to this is that success is a journey rather than an end destination. We always think कि यार मेरे पास इतना पैसा होगा तो बस मैं सक्सेसफुल हूँ, मेरे पास एक बड़ा बंगला होगा तो मैं सक्सेसफुल हूँ, एक अच्छी गाड़ी होगी तो I'll consider myself successful. But we don't realize that success is a journey of achieving many small targets that we set for ourselves. We achieve a small goal for ourselves, we achieve that goal, we are successful in achieving that goal, and we set another goal for ourselves. Then we are successful in achieving that goal, so we move on to the next. And that is how this is a journey and not the end destination. And enjoying that journey is very important. Sometimes we tend to downgrade the value of our success by comparing our success with someone else's. It is basic human nature, and since childhood, this has been ingrained in our minds that we compare ourselves with others. We say कि इसके इतने नंबर आए हैं तो तुम्हारे क्यों नहीं आए, वो ये कर सकता है तो तुम क्यों नहीं कर सकते. We do all these things, but we don't understand that maybe for one student getting 90% marks might be success, but for another student maybe just passing in the examinations might be success. All of us are different people, all of us have different stories, we come from different places, and all of us have different capabilities. So rather than comparing our success with someone else's कि अरे मेरी तो ये गाड़ी है, उसकी तो ये गाड़ी है, मेरा घर इतना बड़ा नहीं है, उसका तो देखो कितना बड़ा है. Instead of comparing these things, we should always respect what we are achieving, what we are doing, and respect our work, because then we will truly be able to savor this success that we achieve. We'll be able to enjoy this journey of achieving these small goals, and we'll enjoy this journey of success. That's it for today's episode of Nikhil Kamath Vlogs. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did like this video, please do hit the like button as well. Comment down below and share your thoughts with me. I will be replying to all of your comments from right here in the studio. Share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to stay connected with all the videos that will be coming up in the next few weeks. I'll see you next week with another topic to discuss. Till then, take very good care of yourselves and keep doing what you love.